Are we living in hell? And who's to blame? Find out tonight at 9 with me, Tom Thompson. I'm Tom Thompson. It's an unknown stench inside the fridge.
What would begin as a hunt for an unknown stench from inside the fridge slowly becomes a search for sanity in tonight's first tale. Bruce Hendricks doesn't know the source of the stinky instigator, but what he also doesn't know is what it will cost him to get rid of it.
What is that stench coming from inside the refrigerator? Oh, that stench is grossing up my coffee. I got a whiff. I can't.
You will never find the stench. It will remain forever unknown.
Ah! Oh no!
Give up your search for the stench. It is not meant to be known. This will not end well. You must end your search. You must end it. Now. If you do not stop hunting the stench, you will become the stench.
Man, what the hell was that with the butter yesterday? It's floating up, flying up out of the fridge and it's talking to me. Man, something's not right here. Where is this stench coming from? What is this stench inside the fridge? I must be losing my mind. What the hell is going on? What is that stench? Why is the butter talking to me?
Hey.
Huh? Bruce, get it together, man. Open that fridge and get what you need out of there. We can do this. He's right. We can do this. We can do this. Come on. Here we go. Maybe not. I knew that something wasn't right. What were those visions? And those terrible sounds? Those awful voices? It's like they just vanished. There was nothing. Was I losing my mind? I had to find out. So what's up with that? Why no smell now? Must have just been getting a little hungry crazy or something. I haven't eaten in how many days now?
Stay tuned for more.
Bigger action, bigger explosions.
Oh, punch your face.
Detective Tough Cop 2, Blood City.
Who would win in a fight to the death between a woodchuck and a beaver? We have the results tonight at 9 with Tom Thompson. I'm Tom Thompson.
We now return to
Bruce. Oh, Bruce. Come here, Brucey boy.
What do you want from me?
I don't want anything from you, Bruce.
Why are you doing this to me?
Because I can do whatever I want to, Bruce.
I haven't eaten in days. I haven't slept in days. Why are you doing this?
Don't you get it, Bruce? There is no reason. There is only the stench. And I am the stench.
You can't be real.
I am.
You're not
Bruce.
real.
I am. together, Bruce. You're losing it.
Hey, what's up? Everything okay? I needed to smell the fridge. Smell the fridge? Yeah. Smell it. I don't smell anything. Open it. What's inside? Smell it. Is there a severed head in there? Please. So what do you smell? Nothing. I'm gonna go. Yeah, you probably should. Is everything okay, Bruce? All right, you damn stench. Get out here right now. Come on! Let's go, you stinking swirl of steam. There were scary sounds and voices and flying butter before, and now Al thinks I'm crazy. I guess this is how Sigourney Weaver felt in Ghostbusters. Now come out of that fridge, or I'll drag you out screaming. Come out now, or I'm coming in. All right, that's it. Where are you? Where are you? Show yourself. Speak to me, Stench. To hell with you. What can you do to me anyway?
You're gonna join us and die, Bruce.
Join us and die! Join us and die! Join us and die!
This is what I can do to you, Bruce.
Let me out!
No can do.
Let me out!
The mysterious unexplained phenomenon hour will be right back.
Ugh. It tastes like garbage. We've all heard of underground dogfighting, but have you heard of... We've all heard of underground dogfighting to the death, but have you heard of underground toddler fighting to the death? Find out tonight at 9 with me, Tom Thompson. I'm Tom Thompson.
We now return to
After the stench and his little stinkers invaded my dreams, My life became a nightmare. Satan's smelly minions tormented me relentlessly. They never made it clear what they wanted from me. They mostly just said, "Join us, Bruce." For what? I don't know. But I knew that was a team I wouldn't even cheer on, let alone play for.
Shut up! All he is.
Yeah, Bruce, you should totally join us.
Stop trying to fight us and join us.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
I don't know.
To get to the idiot's house. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
The chicken. Join us, Bruce. Join us, Bruce. Join
Shut up!
us, Bruce.
Shut up!
Hey, Bruce, come on. Come on now, Bruce, come on, stop it.
Shut up!
What, not cool,
Shut
man.
up.
Yeah, come on. Stop. I don't want to play with you, Bruce. Goodbye.
Come on, come out! Why don't we only play when you want to play? I want to play now! Come on! Let's go!
Then, one day in particular, things got really weird.
Bruce.
Oh, come on. What now?
Well, hey there, handsome.
Well, hello there, gorgeous.
See anything you like?
Everything?
Why don't you put down that controller and play with me instead?
Wait a minute. Wait just a damn minute. Hold the phone. I need answers. What the hell is going on here? Where did you come from?
From your dreams, Bruce.
Oh, my dreams. Sure. Yeah, right. So this is another nightmare?
No, Bruce. I'm here to make all your wildest dreams come true.
Oh, really? Then what am I thinking about right now?
More bikini babes? Bruce, you naughty boy.
Thought we'd have a little party. What do you say, ladies?
Oh my god, yeah. Party!
Where's your bathroom? I kinda started partying already. I mean, woo! Let's do sex now! Missy, you're already trash. Take it easy. You take it easy.
You know what, babe? Let's take a rain check on the party. And, let's you and I get to know each other better for now, huh?
You heard him, ladies. Get lost. Bruce is all mine tonight.
Why don't you come over here? Get comfy.
So, nice place. Come here often?
You mean to my bedroom? Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Hey, want me to do stuff to make your wiener feel good?
Why, yes I do.
First, you gotta kiss me.
Well, I've got no objections to that.
Eyes closed.
Yes, ma'am.
What's the matter, Bruce? Don't you like bikini babes?
What the hell is wrong with you?
Give her a big ol' smooch.
Yeah, give me a smooch, Bruce.
Just get the hell out of here!
Come on, you know you want to.
Oh, leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Just leave me alone!
The mysterious unexplained phenomenon hour. We'll be right back.
Is the newsroom haunted? No, really. Is the newsroom haunted? I'd like to find out before 9 tonight with Tom Thompson. I'm
We now return to
watching a little TV, huh? It's a regular sized TV. What are you? Some sort of poop ghost or something? No. So you're my ghost, and I've been dead this whole time, and this is hell. What makes you think I'm a ghost? Well, for starters, I can see right through you, and you look just like me. You're not dead, and I'm not a ghost. Whatever, I don't care, as long as you're not a poop ghost. So you're thinking of destroying the fridge, huh? Yup. I think you should. Oh, I know I should. So do it then. I'm gonna. Well, go ahead. Okay. You, want to hit this first? Well, maybe just one little toke. You know, my good man, I seem to be without a light. Thank you. Man, why is egg salad so good? I mean, it gives you burps that taste like farts, and it gives you farts that make you have to throw away your underwear. Oh, what about the last drink of milk after a bowl of Cinnamon Toast Crunch? Oh, that is good. Yeah, it's delicious. But if somebody offered me a glass of cinnamon milk, I'd wonder what the hell is wrong with that person. And then I'd go home and make cinnamon milk. Right? Hey, what did Rocky Balboa say after Adrian died? Damn, that sucks. I'm still lonely. Oh, lame. No? You don't like that one. Alright.
Bruce, I think we should talk. Bruce, are you smoking marijuana?
Yeah?
You haven't smoked since the accident.
What the hell are you talking about? What accident?
The one that killed our son. The one you caused. Don't you remember?
No! Because we don't have a kid!
Okay. You got me. I just don't like the smell. This one time
What was that? One more time. You don't like the smell?
no, I smoked too much once and,
The stench doesn't like the smell of something.
Bruce, you're scaring me.
I'm gonna go. Well, ain't that just grand? The stench doesn't like the smell of something.
I had a bad high. I got scared. Like right now.
What's the matter, Stenchy? What are you afraid I'm gonna do? That I'm gonna hurt you?
Yes.
I'm not gonna. Where is it, Stench? Give me the cleaver, Stench.
Stay away from me.
Put the cleaver down.
Don't hurt me, Bruce. Please.
Stenchy. Bastard. Rain cloud over my life. I'm not gonna hurt you.
Bruce, please don't.
You didn't let me finish my sentence. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm gonna bash this fridge in. I'm gonna bash it right the hell in. Now give me the cleaver, Stench.
I'm frightened, Bruce.
Give me the cleaver, Stench. Stop that. Give me the cleaver, Stench. Give me that thing. Oh, damn it, Stench! Damn it! Open up, Stench. Oh, Stench. Let me in. Oh. No, that won't do.
What are you getting now, Bruce?
But this will.
Please don't do this, Bruce. Bruce, please no. Bruce, no. Please don't do this, Bruce. You don't have to do this. Oh, Bruce, please. This won't change anything, Bruce. No! No! Oh, no!
You left me anyhow, and then the days got worse and worse, and now you see I've gone completely out of my mind. And to
Tom Thompson's not with us right now. He's out in the field. Tune in to the news at 9 tonight with me, Tom Thompson.
Oh, Stench. Let me in. Oh. Oh my God. The butter. It tried to warn me.
If you do not stop hunting the stench, you will become the stench.
I've been hunting the stench this whole time, and I forgot to shower. I was hunting the stench, and I became the stench. Oh!
I couldn't believe that I'd overlooked something so obvious. I just needed a shower. All along, that was all I needed. But finally, I was coming to my senses.
You don't have to do this. No. Goose. Tom Thompson's not with us right now. He's out in the field. Tune in to the news at 9 tonight with me, Tom Thompson.
We now return to